This is week 3, Monday. Introduction to computers. Here's what we did. Did a few review items I'll go over in a second. Just started talking about section 2. Mentioned that word processing is our next step, and then the students took the skills-based test. I'll be gone this afternoon. First we talked about attachment, understanding. You can download something to your local drive and then attach it to the email, typically some type of file. We talked about rhyme or reason to a carbon copy. You have the person or maybe a couple people you want to send it to, but you also want other people to see it, though it's not intended for them. You can send carbon copies. Now if you don't want the initial person or people to see it, see who else you're sending it to, you can blind the carbon copies. Okay. There's some reason these emails shouldn't be let out. For example, here at school, I'll send an email out to a group of students, and they'll be blind carbon copies, so they can't see each other's emails. Sometimes you don't want people to know that. That could be a little mischievous. You could be sending emails to somebody in a conversation, blind carbon copying them, and they don't know you're doing that, like to their boss. All right. Word processing, get started on assignment 1, and then we talked about documents. And you get a page break in there, and for example you have an image with some text under it, and then that gets split. Here's the text, here's the image. You know, right in here you could put a page break. Usually hold Control and press the Control Enter or whatever, and you can put in a page break. You can break the page rather than a bunch of carriage returns. And there's ways to get these things to stick together, more sophisticated. Alright. In the work, we download PuTTY. We talked about you can download the executable. So, or in software you can load a install of the software. I want to make that point. The job reports were very good. They varied because people used different sources or looked at, what did I mean by hottest jobs. All right. Unit 2 primarily deals with the internet and a little more specifically the web. That's it.